Is it possible that the easiest way to make disgusting amounts of money in tech is just doing what nobody else is willing to do? This is Fang 30 for 30. 30 days of LeetCode questions asked in the last 30 days by some of the highest paying companies in the world. And despite the ridiculous salaries, computer science students just don't spend enough time learning LeetCode. And when they get in the interview, they fail. I know because I've done that. I failed interviews at Meta and I don't want you to make the same mistake. Before we get into the code, if you want these company tag questions, comment repo down below and I'll DM you. And lastly, drop me a follow because I'm doing this every single day for the next 30 days. Let's get into the code. The LeetCode question we're going to solve today is called container with most water, and it's been asked by Google, Meta, and Apple in the last 30 days. The problem goes like this. We're given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I0 and I height I. Find the two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. So if we look at the graph here, our array encodes the heights of each bar. I want you to notice how the minimum height of the two bars determines the height of the container. What we're going to do is create two pointers at the start and end of this array and gradually move them inward until we find the container with the most water. Let's code it up. First, we're going to denote a variable m that will just contain the maximum area that we've seen thus far. Then we're going to create our left and right pointers. Then while our left pointer is less than our right pointer, for each iteration, we're going to find the area of the container that is created by our left and right pointers. Remember from before that the height of our container is determined by the minimum of our left and right pointer. And then the width of our container is just given by the distance between our right and left pointers. This is the area of the current container that our pointers are pointing to. If this area is bigger than our current max, we're just going to update our max variable by getting the max between the current max and the area we just calculated. Then we're going to move our left and right pointers. If the height at our right pointer is greater than our left pointer, we're going to move our left pointer to try to find a larger vertical line. If it's not, we're going to move our right pointer in. We can do that easily in Python like this. This logic will ensure that we always keep the largest vertical line. After this, all we need to do is return n. God, I hate this. Okay, now all we need to do is submit it and we will see we got the correct answer.